guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Anubhuti and today we are in Dubai and I'm going to a new mall, fairly new mall in Dubai which is called Dubai Hills Mall, and I'm meeting a friend there. Let's explore together. I had seen this mall when it was just like newly constructed and it was not fully operational, so I'm going there after a really long time, like in a year I'm going to go and explore. So let's see how this mall has turned out to be in Dubai. And yeah, it's going to be fun and I'll make you meet my friends today. So stay tuned and keep watching. Guys, just to give you an idea, if you're new to Dubai or just traveling to Dubai, Dubai Hills Mall is not the one which I will suggest. The reason being, it's not directly connected to the metro. So if you're using the public transport, it's not one of the malls which has a direct stop and is connected to the metro. It's on the other side, and it's just that to go to Dubai Hills, you will have to take a cab. And here, just to let you know, the cabs in Dubai are expensive. So if you just want to, you have more time and you want to explore a new mall, then you might want to go to Dubai Hills. But I will suggest go to the ones which are more popular and easily connected to the metro if you are on a budget, or you are kind of only looking around to use public transport when in Dubai and use minimum amount of say the cab for transportation. So yeah, Dubai Hills, because I've already explored so many malls here, and honestly speaking, if you're coming here during the summertime, that's all you're gonna do when you're in Dubai. You'll be going from one mall to the other, because only the malls are the basically the part which are completely covered, and that's what people generally do when you are in Dubai. So yeah, I mean, I'm exploring a new mall just because I wanted to see how it is now once it's completely operational, and also meeting a friend. You have to say hi to my vlog, okay? Me? Say hi. Say hi. लाइन ब्रांड की बात कर रही है? वो देखा तूने लाइन? लाइम इज अ which brand basically? ऐसे कपड़े कपड़े। ये पीट्स कॉफी भी बहुत ज्यादा जगह हो गया है ना ये। पहले इतना नहीं था पीट्स का, इतना जितना भी कुछ भी यूरोप से आ रहा है स्पेशली। तोड़ ही देंगे हम इनका सामान। सडनली जैसे मैं बोलूं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ कॉन्शियस हो जाती है। Here, been here for so long, since I don't know, since when, still looking and trying to navigate. कोई बात नहीं। जैसे जैसे करती हूँ बिल्कुल कॉन्शियस बाय। It's like when something important to you and you feel okay, I'm not okay with looking directly into the camera, you talk to the person. That will become even natural. You know, you're just talking to the spread. मैं इंडिया से लेके आई थी और इन्होंने यहाँ पे ऐसे डिस्प्ले में लगाया। ये चीज तुझे वो वहां पर भी मिलेगी। So that's all for today. Hope you liked this video, and if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.